everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's video I'm going to be coloring my hair, putting a little bit of color in my hair. So if you're interested, you're curious as to how I'm going to do it, stay tuned. I'm going to be using Blissful Blue. It's a pastel blue color from Pravana. So I'll be using that. And I'll be using Pravana Vibrant Purple. But I want it to be a much lighter purple. So I have conditioner over here that I'm going to mix with my purple so it can be a much lighter purple. Usually if you put too much purple in there and mix the conditioner later, it ends up being too pigmented. So usually it's better to do your clear first, which is your conditioner, and then you add the purple to it. So I'm gonna sport a little bit of the purple in here and see. Oh, I might have done too much. And then, whoo, this might even be too much, but we'll see. Let's mix up and see. Because in these colors, what you see is what you get. So, oh, it's cute. It might just be a little bit too pigmented for me, but these colors, they wash out so quickly. But you see, it's a very cute purple. Oh, it got like really bright. I don't know if I like the brightness, but I will leave it as is for now because it will just end up washing out really quickly. And when you think about it, purple will be neutralizing my yellow in my hair, so that'll be a good thing. So, you know what? I'll leave it as is. And I want a few highlights of these blue in my hair. So I'll just squirt this in here like this. These are going to be two cute colors, one in it. I don't want too much of that, just more of the purple. You know, I don't have that much hair that has blonde in it, so it's okay. So what I'll do is I will apply it really quickly and show you guys how it looks during the application process. I have the purple mixed up, which I showed you earlier. It's a little bit brighter than I wanted it to be. I wanted it to be a little bit lighter, but I was just thinking about how fast it will rinse out. I applied it to like the top part of my hair already so I can speed up the process. And I am going to apply it to this mostly on here. Now, because my hair is brown, I might have a tint of purple on it. But who knows? We'll see how it looks like. I'm more so trying to concentrate really on the tips because I don't want it to be all over my hair. I still want a little bit of the brown to show, if that makes sense. The back part of my hair does not have any purple on it. Oh, and it's actually becoming a little bit fainter, like more lavender. Maybe if I rinse it out, we'll see. So that's perfect because I don't want it to be too much of a deep purple, if it makes sense. Now I've separated my hair into 3 parts. My plan is to try and go through this really quickly. I might do the middle first so you guys can see. You see about. And what I'm doing is I'm doing like these diagonal sections like this so I can keep going. Well, diagonal like that. I'm using the brush to even do the sections because I want them to like be type of small sections. These are the sections that will have the blue. And let's apply. I'm using my hands to apply, nothing major. I want it to go fast so I'm not out here overdoing anything. This is a really faint blue, so let's see if it will have that tint of blue that I want. See? Real faint blue. So I'll just leave this alone, let it be. Wipe my hair and take a chunk of the purple and keep going. Now, if the blue is processing and it ends up being a little bit too faint for me, I might add a little bit more of another type of blue so I can see the blue color, but I still want it to be faint so it doesn't stay on my hair too long. So see, I'm applying the purple. I'm using my hands because it's much easier. So I'm just gonna shut up and just apply and keep going. See that? I rinse my hands and then I'll move on to my next section.
Yeah, no, you ain't no psycho. You're not like the others, no. No changing behaviors. Not sure how to act around you. So colorful and bright, yeah. I wanna be a 9 to 5. You made me come alive, babe. I wanna be the time of your life. Come change my life just for a while. Let's go for a ride now. Outside the club, we come alive. Let's go for a ride, yeah. I wanna get to know you. I don't wanna leave so soon. You and me forever, or maybe just for tonight. Do you wanna get to know me?
Okay, so if you can see, I intensified the blue a tad bit more. I added a little bit of Adore Baby Blue. I mixed it into the Blissful Blue Pravana and it looks a tad bit more intensified. You see it? So I reapplied my blue to make it a little bit more of an intensive color, and as you can see, the way it's going, it's doing diagonal sections. I'm doing diagonal sections so I can have a little bit of movement. You know, diagonal lines gives you movements in color. So let me go ahead and do the same thing. I always have boo-boos when I'm doing these things because you're trying to film, look into the camera, and also apply at the same time. I need a clip. So we'll do the same thing here. It is quite difficult, but let me try again, okay, guys? So yeah, clip this part, get some purple on here, like that. Flip it back, wipe my hand, section out a blue section with my hands if I can. There you go. And get some blue on here.
Give it all to you, you and me forever. Don't care about nothing else. Making it happen, yeah. Cause you're a winner. I'm not gonna fall down. This ain't my final round. Hey, drinking Annie in the corner. I don't wanna be alone. Hey, sitting looking like a loser, but I don't wanna lose ya. Come change my life just for a while. Let's go for a ride now. Outside the club, we come alive. Let's go for a ride, yeah. I wanna get to know you. I don't wanna leave so soon. You and me forever, or maybe just for tonight. Do you wanna get to know me? I will give it all to you. You and me forever. Don't care about nothing else.
Okay guys, I'm done. Y'all see how pretty it looks. Hopefully it comes out pretty as it looks right now. I'm going to sit for about 20 minutes. I'm going to rinse it out. I'm going to style my hair and I'm going to come back and show you guys the final product. Alright guys, I'm done. I did a little bit of makeup to make my look okay. What do you guys think? Do you guys like it? Do you guys like my color combination? I don't have any color on my size as usual. And I'm outside so you guys can get a very good view of kind of how it's looking like. Matchy with my nails. Alright, so I'm about to sign off here. Don't forget to comment, like and subscribe to my channel and let me know what you think. Do you like it or not? I'll talk to you guys later.
Come change my life for the better. Yeah. Stay for a while or forever. Come change